Today we're touring one of the most pleasant and beloved neighborhoods in all of Savannah, the Ardsley Park Historic District. Stay tuned. Originally laid out in 1910, the master plan for Ardsley Park would call for two developments side by side. One called Ardsley Park, the other one called Chatham Crescent. These developments would be laid out in a grid, with similar sized lots blended with parks and squares, a smaller but newer variant of Oglethorpe's original city plan. Having been heavily influenced by the City Beautiful movement of the 1890s, local architects and developers would dub the Ardsley Park project the most unique and beautiful subdivision south of Washington. Placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1985, Ardsley Park remains highly intact and very well preserved. Residents here like to keep their homes as close to their original plans as possible. Here you'll find immaculately preserved homes built in various styles of architecture, including late century revivals, Victorian, Spanish colonial, Dutch colonial, Tudor transitional, and American craftsman. Today, Ardsley Park remains highly walkable and bikeable, with short direct access to the downtown historic district, with over 120 locally owned gourmet restaurants, unique bars, numerous parks, endless art galleries, outdoor cafes, as well as a short walk to historic Grayson Stadium to see the wildly popular Savannah Bananas baseball team. Now let's talk pricing. For one of Ardsley Park's stunning craftsmen, prices will range from the mid-300s to the mid-600s. If you want to go all in and purchase one of Chatham Crescent's larger Victorian or revival homes, prices will range from the high 600s to over $1 million. My name is David. I'm a local realtor right here in historic Savannah, Georgia, and I get calls every day from people just like you who are looking to make Savannah their next home. If you have any questions or you need any assistance, please reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. All of my contact is in the description below. If you like the content of our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. You'll get notified when we release new videos every single week. Thanks for watching.